Hey guys, what's going on? Welcome to part 2 of my Lux Algo premium review. So this is something that I've put off for a long time and I thought I'd just start going through it, and I think the last video is actually really popular. A lot of people are signing up for it and talking to me about it, especially in our Sidekick Traders Discord. I'll leave a link in the description below. You can get a 3-day trial to come and join us. We do SPX scalping, but we're also starting to go towards Lux Algo scalping and day trading as well, so pretty good. So when I first started this Lux Algo review, probably a week ago now, I was really looking at the daily charts, and I could really tell from looking at the SPY daily chart that this was something that would really work for me. However, today I want to talk about the shorter time frames, and I admit I was wrong. The shorter time frames look really good and really accurate for a lot of these things. It takes a little bit of finesse, as does anything really trading related, right? So you've got to make sure that you're planning your own exits. That's really important, and I think the 1 minute and the 5 minute look really strong on Lux Algo as well. You do have to make your own decisions though, so it's something that a lot of people get mixed up with. I think they think that you can just buy and sell on indicators. You have to actually think about it and apply certain rules and kind of do an intelligent type of trading. And the people that do that tend to do really well, I think, in all aspects of trading, but especially when it comes to these premium indicator systems. So as usual, I'll leave a link in the description. Come and check out my premium review here for Lux Algo. If you want to get 30% off, you can click on my link in here. It's an affiliate link, and you can use STA30 to get a 30% discount, which means you can get 3 months of this thing for $100, which is an absolute bargain in my opinion, and I highly encourage you to come and check it out. If you want to come and join the Discord that we're doing the SPX scalping in, that's awesome. I'll leave a link for you to come and do that as well. I think combining basically Lux Algo trades and Goldman's SPX trades is going to be really good for you guys. So come and check it out. I'll leave a link to Sidekick Traders Discord in the description as well. So yeah, here's the review. I've basically started putting my videos in here as well. So this was part 1. So again, if you haven't seen part 1, it was mainly focusing on SPY swing trading on the daily. Looks superb on Lux Algo. Really love it. Today I want to talk about my experience with the 1 minute chart on Lux Algo and SPY. So I'm not going to go through all the different tickers. I'm focusing on SPY. I'm focusing on how the market works. That's kind of my goal for, that's my goal at the moment for trading. It's not to get bogged down with looking for the hottest ticker, rather just focusing on one thing, which is the market overall. And of course SPY is perfect for that. So alright, let's get started. So today this was the 1 minute chart. You can see the 1 minute on trading view up here. If you have any questions, reach out to me. I can help you set this up. I can help with kind of like what I do with Lux Algo in general. This is the basic form of Lux Algo that I use. It's just the overlay. So the typical, like when you buy Lux Algo, you get these 3 different things, right? So you get the oscillators, which I haven't even looked at yet. You get the overlays, which is what I'm mainly using, and you get the price action concepts, which I'm going to talk a little bit about today, like an introduction into the price action concepts. But really I'm focusing on just simplicity, right? So the signals and overlays for the premium Lux Algo here. Super popular, over 50,000 people are using this. And I think it's something that's definitely worth exploring. So this is the overview for today. Hopefully you guys can see this. So this is the first buy signal. This is just today. So you can see it starting off at 9:30 on the left here. You can see there was a strong buy signal right here. And then this thing just went all the way up here. Pretty amazing. You can see if I zoom in a little bit here, I'll try and make it more obvious for you guys. Let's see, move around here. You can see the real start of like profit taking as we hit this reversal band, which again has some controversy around it. So some people are starting to, whenever I post about Lux Algo, there's very opinionated people, they're like, oh, it's the best, or oh, they're just like somehow ripping off like a free indicator or whatever. These may be Bollinger Bands, this reversal thing. All you have to do to put them on is go to the, so you click on the actual indicator itself. Let's click on here. And so you can click reversal zone. There's these other ones, right? So there's Trend Tracer, Neo Cloud. So people are complaining that they think that this reversal zone is the Bollinger Bands. I don't see a problem. You're getting a lot of value in this thing. If these are Bollinger Bands, who cares? You're getting all the other things as well. So it just adds a little bit of sophistication to the indicator. So I wouldn't worry too much about what they are. It's not some scam just because you're paying like $100 for 3 months. If it's you're paying for a strategy basically, right? So alright, they're not, I don't know if they're the Bollinger Bands, I haven't checked. They really work though, so I really encourage you to put them on your overlay if you are new to this, because you can see here, like as we came up on this first signal of the day, and zoom in here, scoot along a little bit. You can see that like it's definitely worth taking profit when they say, but also when you're in the reversal zone here to the downside, you probably want to take some profit, right? In this case, it did indicate a down signal, which would have been a good point to take some profit anyway. But it's not always the case. I think it's really worthwhile like putting your own thought into this and how you're going to trade these signals. And so for this one, that would have worked out well. So this one also worked out. So it was a buy signal here and a few 1 minute candles up, 5 to 10 minutes. It's worth pointing out here we had about 5 to 10 signals. I think about 7 signals today on the 1 minute chart, which is pretty good over the course of a whole day, right? So seven signals. You're not inundated, but there's enough to keep you interested. So I actually took this signal, which was the first down signal of the day, right here. So we zoom in. This candle right here, so you can see we'd had a rejection off this reversal area almost, and so I was kind of expecting a down signal. I got in around here pretty quickly on it, and then I just wrote it down to the reversal point here, which is the bullish reversal, right? So you'd expect to start to see some buyers coming in right here. And so again, this is where things can change for people, and this is why some people love these signals and all sorts of like algo signals and things, and some people hate them. If you've taken profit down here, which in my opinion is the smart thing, right? You get 10% on the options that I took within 5 to 10 minutes. Probably a good idea to at least take some profit, right? If you hadn't though, and you just been like, okay, I'll trust the signal, you'd ended up selling up here when this new buy signal came in. So you shorted here and bought here. You'd be a little annoyed because you probably take a loss. So that's why you've got to adapt these things to your own risk management, basically. Otherwise, you'll never trust them. So definitely worth checking that out. One thing that I found that helps actually is one thing that I do want to touch on. So this price action concept thing, remember I showed you earlier the price action concept thing is here. You can add that to your charts, and one thing I'm finding useful is basically the support and resistance part of this. So let me just add this really quick. Price action concepts. So what you can do is if you click on the signals here, and try and get into the thing, you can put the price action, so the reversal zones are really good, but you can also add in these market, hold on, let me just get this right. So price action concepts, so settings here, so you click on the settings button, and so in the price action concepts there's a bunch of different stuff. So if you haven't looked at this yet and you have the Lux Algo thing, you can look here and you can put market structure. So you've got these different market structures. I haven't found them super useful because people know what like equal high and lows are. So it's like a double bottom, double top. These are not super useful to me so far. So I focus more on the order blocks. So the order blocks are less intuitive, like less easy to like see. You need to do this some way, and this is one way to do it. So order blocks internal. So I have this ticked right here, and that's what you're seeing on the charts now. So I'm trying to introduce 1 or 2 ideas at a time here so as not to become overwhelming, right? So these are areas where there's big orders. So what we can do is zoom out here. So if I zoom out all the way here, just set it to 1 day. Let's see right here. Okay, so we have these areas that are important buy and sell zones. So I'm going to zoom out to here. And so one of the things that I've done today is I based some decisions on this volume. So this is important. I think it's something that really can help out. So I'm trying to give an example here. So today I took this short, right? So I took the short from here and I carried it all the way down right here. Now, it started to test this reversal zone. So you're like, okay, cool, it's testing like this reversal zone. Let's take some profits. But look at this. This is a really big sign here that you want to take profits. So first of all, we had 52% of the daily volume. Try and zoom in here so you can see it clearly. So these are the percentage of the daily volume. And if 52% of the daily volume, 1.37 million, comes in at a reversal point, that's probably a good idea to take profit and get out of this trade. And sure enough, very shortly after that, 52% of the volume came in, this thing reversed and had a buy signal. So in this case, obviously you'd close out on a buy signal, but in some cases you would get the 52%, for example, a big part of the daily volume, and you wouldn't get a buy signal. It would still be smart to close that trade or at least take most of it off, right? So we could have ridden this down from here all the way down to here, and then when you see this big buying volume coming in, you want to close the trade, right? Because you're short all the way down to here. So one thing that you might want to add if you've just started using this, I know a lot of you guys watching this probably have, based on what I'm showing in these videos and also in the Discords and things, is you want to say, look, like, you've got to be smart about this. Like, you can't follow the signals blindly. You need to come up with what you think is a very valid strategy. You can follow the signals, but you're not going to do as well as if you come up with your own tailored strategy based around all the powerful concepts that Lux Algo offers. So when you see 52% of the volume on this one buy side, right, you're probably going to want to get out because of a short here and go long. And I did that too. Also took profits on the way up here as well. So I took 2 or 3 trades today. I've logged them. I'm going to keep a continual log going forward to kind of show people that this is possible to make money from these things. Really, I love it. I think it's fun, it's exciting. I think it works on multiple time frames, and I think today was a good example of a 1 minute time frame chart which worked really well. Again, you can see that a big portion of the volume today came in, 23% of the entire volume came in on this buy signal, and of course we rallied into the close here, nearly closing at 416, which is pretty amazing, pretty good. So I'm pretty excited going forward. I think there's a lot of value here. I know a lot of people in the Discord are joining me. Osirian joined. He said, thanks for the heads up on the Lux Algo. I love it. Started posting his gains here. Market value. So you went 6 contracts on this. $510, which is awesome. So he's playing Lux Algo and loves it. I really like it. I think it's a lot of fun. I'm kind of addicted to it now. I think I'll be using it in my trading pretty much every day going forward, I think. So yeah. Anyway, check it out. I'll leave a link in the description to come and check out this full review, and make sure you sign up. If you're going to do it, make sure you use STA30. Click on this link right here and it'll get you the cheapest possible price. Really, $100 for 3 months is pretty amazing, and I think it's something that you guys will enjoy. If you're looking to do funded futures accounts, for example, you could use SPX on TradingView like this. So you do have to pay. So this is the free TradingView. If you want to use funded futures, if you want to actually trade like ES and stuff on this, you'll actually have to pay for the real-time data. But you can do it on SPX. Here's the 1 minute on SPX today. You can see it was very reliable as well. These are take profits. This is sell. And you can see, so SPX works really well. SPY works really well on the free version of TradingView. So honestly, this is one of my favorite programs at the moment. I highly suggest that you check it out. Hopefully that's helpful. Let me know if you have any questions, anything you want me to cover in future videos. I'm going to do some more videos, probably daily actually, on the different concepts and different parts of Lux Algo that I come across and that I find useful. Hopefully it'll help you, and I'll talk to you guys in the next video.